Hello, good morning dear students. Let us start with this part 3 of our chapter number 2, debentures. Okay, last video we have done in part 2, we have understood the concept of debenture issued at par होगा तो simple और premium वाला question, practically premium question we have solved. If debenture is issued at a premium, that practical we have taken. Today's our concept is if debenture is issued at discount. If it is issued at a discount, how to deal with it in that case? Okay, simple side. Discount means every one of us are very well versed with this term. When anything is, or here debentures will be issued at a price which is less than the face value. Okay, issued at a price which is less than the face value or nominal value, then debentures has to be said to be issued at a discount. We have seen that as per Companies Act 2013, the shares cannot be issued at discount now, but debentures, borrowed capital, so it can be easily issued at a discount. कंपनी के ऊपर है वो किस तरह से लेना चाहती है. Say for the example is given to you, if face value of debenture is 100 but company is charging 90 from the investor, तो 10 रुपए जो कम ले रही है कंपनी, this is known as discount. If face value is nominal value है 100 but investor से हम सिर्फ 90 ले रहे हैं, so the difference that is rupees 10, this is known as discount. So if company issues debenture at price less than the face value, then such debentures are said to be debenture issued at a discount. Okay, पहली चीज ये discount का amount है a sort of loss for the company. Here it is, this amount of discount is shown in a separate account known as discount on debenture account. कौन सा account है? Discount on debenture. As it is a loss, so it will be given a debitual effect naturally against capital of debentures or against debentures. Here, there is no restriction in Companies Act regarding the amount for giving on the issue of debenture as discount. If there is no restriction in AA of the company, debentures can be issued at a discount. अगर कोई AA में इसके खिलाफ, you know, AA is an internal document, okay, of a company is working. If in AA nothing is mentioned in regard this, then debentures can easily be issued at a discount. Now, if there is no clarification where at which stage discount is to be adjusted, then it is always to be adjusted at the allotment entry stage. So that is there, we have to see this also to where it is to, if it is mentioned, then at that particular stage. But if it is not mentioned, then it will be adjusted along with the allotment money. Okay, no clarification is given in the question where the amount of a discount is to be adjusted, then it will be adjusted at the allotment stage. Fine. Okay बच्चा, let us check this out with a practical sum. अच्छा वही रहेगा कि हम एक sum में के through इसको judge कर दें. There is a textbook question number 6. As I always say, textbook question देखेंगे easy हो जाता है. Textbook question number 6 is this one. If you want, here Paswadal Steel Limited issued 15,000. कितने? 15,000. हम इशू कितना कर रहे हैं? 15,000. प्लीज सी, डिबेंचर्स के साथ इंटरेस्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है. बोरोड कैपिटल है एट 9% डिबेंचर्स ऑफ 100 ईच. फेस वैल्यू डिबेंचर की कितनी है? 100. बट दे आर इशूड एट अ प्राइस 80 पर डिबेंचर. इन्वेस्टर से कितना चार्ज कर रहे हैं? 80. ऑटोमेटिकली 20 रुपीज का क्या हो जाता है? डिस्काउंट हो जाता है. नाउ द प्राइस वॉज कलेक्टेड एज अंडर 25. प्लीज सी टू इट वेरी नाइसली. सब बच्चों को देखना है ये वाला एप्लीकेशन, क्योंकि ये इंस्टॉलमेंट वाले हम लोग सम कर रहे हैं. एप्लीकेशन के साथ 25 रुपीज allotment के साथ 35. Not only that, here word is mentioned after discount. Means allotment जब adjust करेंगे तभी discount का पैसा 20 rupees will be adjusted. Net discount, जिधर net discount या after discount word, net discount या after discount word use किया है, उस stage पे हम लोग adjust करेंगे. Not only that much, call is there, final call of 20. If we total here na 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 80 here we collected from investor plus discount we have allowed, so 100 rupees इस तरह से कंपनी के एडजस्ट हो रहे हैं. नाउ सिंपल है, आपको कॉन्सेप्ट बताना है, शेयर में सीखा है आपने. तो कंपनी इशूड रिसीव्ड एप्लीकेशंस कितने मिले भी 15 है, ऑर्डर भी 15 किए, मिले भी 15 है. ऑल वर सैंक्शनड. Company receive the full money on allotment and receive full money on call. सब पे मिल गए except call on 800. Call की जो 800 shares of debenture. Call accept on 800 debentures. That means 800 debentures पे हमको call नहीं मिला है. This will be known as call in arrears. मंगाया पर पैसे नहीं मिले, like share. It is mentioned in this account. Call in arrears. Like share, here also we will use words call in arrears and call in advance if amount is received in advance and not received then call in arrears. Same will be used. Okay. So this one is there. We are supposed to pass journal entries. Okay. तो हमारा जब हमारा chart ready है तो it becomes very easy to deal with the question. So let us check now. कैसे journal entry का format वही same. एंट्री पास करें. जर्नल एंट्रीज ऑफ पार्टिबल स्टील लिमिटेड आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं. सेम मैनर डेट पर्टिकुलर्स. सी आई एम बिट लेजी. LF you must draw. Debit amount in rupees, credit amount in rupees. First entry of course application amount receive सबसे मिल गया है. डिबेंचर की बात है, डिबेंचर का वर्ड यूज होगा. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू कितना परसेंट 9%. वो लिखना बहुत जरूरी है. राइट. हियर वी आर यूजिंग एक्चुअली हियर इट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन 9% डिबेंचर अकाउंट. सो 9% डिबेंचर, 9% डिबेंचर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट. ओके. 9% डिबेंचर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट. कितना पैसा मिल रहा है एप्लीकेशन के साथ 25. 25 rupees is received. 15,000 up. I'll just like to show you 15,000 into 25. 15,000 into 25. Everyone is paying. Okay. So this comes to rupees 3,75,000. 3,75,000. Being application amount received. Being application amount received. Okay. Now सबके सब ये पैसा हमको पे कर दे रहे हैं ना. Right. So second entry भी simple. अरे you have track on it now. No excess. Excess होता तो बैंक के थ्रू रिटर्न करते, सिर्फ ट्रांसफर करना है. 9% डिबेंचर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू what? To 9% डिबेंचर अकाउंट 375,000. 3 नो एक्सेस. एक्सेस होता तो हम रिफंड करते. बीइंग अमाउंट ट्रांसफर्ड, बीइंग अमाउंट रिसीव्ड, बीइंग अमाउंट ट्रांसफर्ड. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंट्री बिकॉज डिस्काउंट यहीं पे हमको शो करना है. सी व्हाट एवर चार्ट सेज अलॉटमेंट 35 प्लस 20 का डिस्काउंट आफ्टर डिस्काउंट. तो डिस्काउंट इज टू बी एडजस्टेड एट द अलॉटमेंट स्टेज. बस प्रीमियम क्रेडिट होता है, डिस्काउंट डेबिट. 9% डिबेंचर अकाउंट, 9% डिबेंचर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट, अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट, डिबेंचर डिस्काउंट अकाउंट डेबिट. लॉस है इसलिए डेबिट. प्रीमियम होता है तो क्रेडिट करते हैं, डिस्काउंट है तो लॉस है तो डेबिट होगा. 9% debenture account. Debenture always will be credited finally with the full face value. So here if I try to show 15,000 में है टोटल 35 रुपीज and 15,000 into how much? Discount of 20. 35 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 5,25,000 and this comes to 3 lakhs. Total 8,25,000. Okay, being allotment money demanded and discount adjusted. Okay, being allotment money demanded and discount adjusted. Let us go for next entry. सबने allotment के पैसे दे दिए. एंट्री क्या होगी? बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू क्या? डिस्काउंट का पैसा कोई नहीं देगा, ओनली अलॉटमेंट मनी. 9% डिबेंचर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट. ओनली अलॉटमेंट अमाउंट विल बी रिसीव्ड. सो कितना मिलेगा? दैट इज देयर. सो ये दो एंट्रीज हमारी हाईलाइट है. बीइंग अलॉटमेंट मनी रिसीव्ड. Am I clear to all of you? Okay. Once again, प्रीमियम होता है तो क्रेडिट, डिस्काउंट है तो डेबिट, क्योंकि डिस्काउंट लॉस है, प्रीमियम प्रॉफिट होता है. डिस्काउंट डेबिटेड, और डिस्काउंट का पैसा आदमी हमको किसी से मिलेगा नहीं. ओनली लॉस इज टू बी एडजस्टेड. कैपिटल विल बी क्रेडिटेड बाय इट्स एक्चुअल फेस वैल्यू. दैट्स व्हाई हियर 5 to 5 everyone pays. So full amount is received. No colon arrears. Final call मंगाए तो सबसे मंगाएंगे. Here 9% debenture call account debit to 9% debenture account. कितना है? We know very well. Amount कितना था? 15,000 पे, per person had to pay 20. So 15,000 into 20. It comes to 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs. Right? Now, here, being debenture money demanded. 3 lakhs सबसे demand किए. We know one of the investor is not able to pay. कितना नहीं मिला है? We very well know. 800 पे नहीं मिला है. So if I try to mention here also ना, तो 800 पे हमको 20 rupees नहीं मिले हैं. So 16,000 will be noted down as call in arrears. So entry पास करें. हमको इन्फॉर्मेशन पहले हमने कैलकुलेशन तो वैसे ही करके रखी. जो मिलेंगे बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, जो नहीं मिलेंगे सेम शेयर्स आते हैं तो डिबेंचर का चैप्टर बहुत इजीली आ जाएगा. कॉल इन एरियर्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू 9% डिबेंचर कॉल अकाउंट. टोटल कॉल इज ऑफ 3 lakhs. Okay, from this 16 is not received, so call in arrears. Minus करेंगे तो 2,84,000 is received. Bank account debit. Being call money received and arrears adjusted. And finally grand total करना है. Total करके एक formality कर देंगे total. Actually total comes to 27 lakhs. You can put here 27 lakhs. This completes our question number 6 of textbook. Okay, discount. We understood concept of discount with this particular sum. So now we have idea कि पार होगा तो 100 का 100 लेंगे. Same like shares. Premium होगा more than face value. Discount you have understood now, less than face value. Okay, then it is known as issue. क्या changes आई? Discount is debited at the stage of allotment as it was mentioned. कुछ नहीं, silence होगा तो भी allotment, and that much amount will not be received from any investor. This is the concept which we need to understand. What is it? Debenture issued at a discount. Now, what I am today telling you, please practice out illustrations. Today homework is there. You will do illustration 1, 2, 3. They are given on page number 71 and 73 of your textbook. Okay. Par issued at a premium, issued at a discount. Okay. And all in the case where they are issued in installments. If debentures are issued in installments, means some amount with application, some amount with at allotment stage and some with call. When debentures are taken, debenture amount is taken in installment. And 3, if issued at par, then entry. Question, issued at premium, issued at discount. All these 3 types of concepts we have understood. Please practice with the help of these illustrations. Very limited questions are there. Give importance to it. Thank you. We will continue with next question with practice for call in advance and arrears. Both together, how to go for adjustments on that case. Thank you. Bye.